Welcome to a short demo of Chime for Microsoft Teams. In this demo, we're going to show an employee using their Teams client to connect with a service desk agent also using their Teams client. Chime uses adaptive cards with no code. Those cards are behind conversation events. And here we're going to distribute the notification down to the service desk agent using the Teams client. We also support a web client that can run outside of Teams as well. So here the employee is going to enter a question. They need some help with a VPN password. So they're going to start a conversation using Teams connected to their service desk queue that's exposed as Teams. They're going to go through some adaptive cards here. They could route to a bot, but in this case they're going to route to a live agent and request help. So we're going to go ahead and in the background we're going to fan that question out to some available service desk agents. And in this case, Patrick's gone ahead and grabbed the conversation. So Patrick is the service desk agent. We're having a normal Teams conversation, and Patrick's going to try to resolve that request and then let them know. Managers can also watch these conversations, their dashboards in the background, etc. Here the employee is going to provide some feedback and wrap that up. We're not going to flip this so that we're going to see the agent side of this and what the agent sees. So let's go ahead and transition over and let's look at the agent side. So the agent's also in Teams, and the agent's going to receive a notification that there's an inbound request. They can go ahead and they can accept that conversation either in Teams or using our web client, but here they're going to accept that conversation in Teams. They're going to have a very normal conversation just from within their Teams client, and they're connected with Peyton on the other side. Chime is always going to sit in the middle of this conversation so that we can track it, so that we can display stats about it, and also capture the full conversation history. So here the agent's going to go ahead and resolve the request. They're going to have a very standard chat back and forth, and then when they wrap that up, the employee is going to receive the notification that it's been resolved. So here the chat has come in via an employee using Teams. It's been routed to an agent, service desk agent using Teams. Both sides are using the Teams client. Information's available at addchime.com, and thank you very much.